So this is a quick video just to show you how to create a coupon or copy an existing one. So here I created this one that you can use, for example, if you want to share it with your followers, for example, to get the course for $9.99. Okay, so you just click on share your coupon, and then you see here the full URL that you can copy and then use in your social media or whatever. Then this one here, it never expires. As you can see here, this one expires in 4 days. Okay, this one never expires. This is, for example, the one that I use for my YouTube videos because I know it doesn't expire. Otherwise, I have to go and then change it in every video. In this way, I'm pretty sure that if somebody buys from that link, and a lot of people buy my courses from my YouTube videos, then I'm gonna get the 97% commission instead of just 37. Okay, so this one is if you want to share, you want to sell the course. Now let's create one for free for friends and relatives or whatever, whomever can give us a nice review. Okay, please ask to give us 5 stars because we deserve it, and to write a couple of lines. Okay, because if they don't write anything in the review, then those stars are not gonna count as much as a review with a comment. So we just click on create new coupon. We have 3, as you can see, 3 coupons every month. One I already created it, so I'm gonna click here create, and then for free we can have 1,000, but it expires in 5 days. Okay, or 100, that's more than enough, and it expires in 31 days. So I click here. I don't know, let's call it, we only have 20 characters to create a coupon, so I'm gonna call it learn, I don't know, English. I don't think it's gonna be short enough. Let's see. So you can see there is too long, so let's just call it, it's gotta be a different name from the one that we chose. So let's just call it free, but of course it's supposed to be for Portuguese speaking people, so we can call it what, yeah, and then English. Let's see if we can create it like here, and let's see, gratis. No, it's too much, so let's just leave it as pronuncia English. It's the same name, so let's call it, so I don't know why it's so short. Okay, this is the idea, Fred and then English. Okay, and let's see if we get free. Okay, I think this one could work. And create coupon. So this one you can use it to share with your friends and family, relatives. Okay, this one, it expires in 30 days. Okay, so you just click here, share coupon, and then you're gonna get the URL. Then if you want to share it for selling, then you use this one. And then if you want to copy this link into your YouTube's description. Okay, if you, for example, you post the promo video that you already recorded, then the first line before the description, you say buy the course at, and then you copy this URL in your, or you can just post the URL, whatever you want. This one is for videos, okay, things that people always go there. This one, if you want to create urgency, okay guys, this is my pronunciation course, you have this special offer for me, $9.99. okay, it expires in 4 days, so hurry up. And this one, of course, for your friends and families, as I was telling you before. Okay, see you, man. Bye.